everyone. My name is Helena Vadia and I am presenting on behalf of Group 2. Our group members are Evie, Nathan, Trishelle, Akira, and myself. This is our Lab 2A presentation for CSEC 322 Switch and Routing 1. In this lab, we'll learn how to design a simple office network using Cisco Packet Tracer. We created a working network topology that connects 10 PCs through multiple switches to a single router. I will walk you through our setup, configurations, and test results. Here you can see our topology diagram. We use one router, 6 switches, and 10 PCs. The switch, the main switch, switch 0, is connected directly to the router. From there, 5 other switches, like switch 1 to switch 5, connect to switch 0. Each of those switches has 2 PCs connected to it. This forms a star topology which keeps the network organized and help avoid loops. It's good structure for medium-sized office where multiple departments share one central router. All green lights on the connections shows that our links are active and working. After setting up the physical connections, we configured IP address and network services. We assign a private IP network such as 192.168.1.0/24. The router's interface gigabyte 0 by 0 acts the default gateway. Using the IP 192.168.1.1, we enabled DHCP service on the router. This allows every PC to automatically receive an IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway without manual entry. We also configured DNS service so that PCs can use host names instead of IP numbers. When connecting, this makes the network easier to manage and more user friendly. Once IP addresses were assigned, we verified that all devices could communicate. On each PC, we opened the command prompt and typed ipconfigure to confirm it got the correct IP and gateway from DHCP. Then we use the ping command. First, ping the router at 192.168.1.1 and got successful replies. Next, ping between two PCs, for example, PC 0 to PC 9, and received replies from there. This confirms that all switches and cables are working correctly and that DHCP and DNS are properly configured. If device had failed, we would check the cable type, port status, and DHCP configuration using commands like show interfaces or show IP interface brief. During setup, we faced a few small issues such as incorrect cables, type, or incorrect interfaces. We fixed this by checking the interface status and ensuring every device was powered on. Through this lab, we learned how to connect multiple switches and a router correctly, use DHCP and DNS to automate network settings, verify connectivity, and troubleshoot common issues. These skills are important for managing real world enterprise networks. In conclusion, our Lab 2A project was successfully demonstrate how to build a working LAN using switches, router, and PCs. We achieved fully connectivity, correct IP addressing, and automated DHCP and DNS services. Thank you for watching our Lab 2A presentation. On behalf of Group 2, Evie, Nathan, Trishelle, Akira, and Haley.